Today we're on the Llwybr Mountains not far from Moel. I'm Nigel.
I'm Sioned.
I'm Iestyn.
I'm Gwenno. And this is Arwr.
By walking up just a few steps you see North Wales and the English coast. It's absolutely fantastic.
I find it very nice to see all the views and all the nature around us.
Offa's Dyke is amazing because there's something different around each corner. It's full of history. The nature is amazing, especially at this time of year with the heather in its bloom. And it's a really well signposted path, so it's ideal for families, individuals and groups. There's also loads of little villages and towns so that you're never far from a cafe or a shop or a restaurant, so that you can combine a lovely walk with a lovely meal and enjoy time with your family and friends.